Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to get rid of that squeaky noise in the old hinges or hinges that you have in your house. Now it's very simple. You have this DW-40 that says spray 2 ways. Now you can spray from the top, and now we're going to do a demonstration. As you saw, there's a spout on the end of this DW-40 can. Now we're going to be spraying it about 2 or 3 times. Now you just let it settle in, and after that you just move it back and forth. But for this moment right now, we're just going to be letting it settle down so it goes through the hinges. I hope this gave you a little bit of a demonstration how to get rid of that pesky noise when the door opens and closes. That way, at any time, you will have just straight quiet and no pesky noise. So I hope this helped you. Like and subscribe to my channel for more other do-it-yourself videos, and have a great day. Thank you.